Here is our list of the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers you can get right now. The TP-Link Archer BE900 is a high-performance quad-band Wi-Fi 7 router designed for modern networking needs. It delivers up to 24.4 gigabits per second wireless speeds across 4 bands, ensuring seamless 4K and 8K streaming, gaming, and fast file transfers. It features dual 10 gigabit WAN and networking ports for 2.5 gigabit networking ports and USB connectivity for high-speed wired connections. With 12 antennas, beamforming, and easy mesh support, it provides extensive coverage and reliability. A touchscreen, LED display, and TP-Link Home Shield enhance usability and security. Supporting VPN and IoT network isolation, it is an excellent choice for advanced home and business networking solutions. The Netgear Orbi quad-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system is a premium networking solution offering ultra-fast speeds up to 10.8 gigabits per second and expansive coverage up to 6,000 square feet. Featuring Wi-Fi 6E technology, it includes a 6 GHz band for lower latency and improved performance. The system supports multi-gig internet with a 10 gigabits WAN port and multiple wired connections. A dedicated backhaul ensures seamless device communication. Security is enhanced with Netgear Armor, parental controls, and easy management via the Orbi app. Ideal for modern homes, it delivers top-tier speed, coverage, and security for multiple connected devices. The TP-Link Deco W7200 Pro is a high-performance tri-band Wi-Fi 6E mesh system offering up to 4.9 gigabits per second speeds and coverage for up to 7,200 square feet. It operates on 2.4 GHz, 5 GHz, and 6 GHz bands, reducing interference and optimizing connections. With AI-driven mesh technology, it ensures seamless roaming and supports up to 200 devices. It includes a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port, TP-Link Home Shield security, parental controls, and an intuitive Deco app for easy setup and management. Ideal for modern homes, it delivers reliable high-speed connectivity for streaming, gaming, and smart home devices. The Arris SURFboard G36 is a high-speed Docsis 3.1 cable modem and Wi-Fi 6 router designed for gigabit internet plans. It supports multi-gig speeds with up to 10 gigabits per second download capacity and offers AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 performance for faster wireless connectivity. Equipped with 2.5 gigabits and 1 gigabits Ethernet ports, it ensures high-speed wired connections for streaming, gaming, and smart home devices. Compatible with major ISPs like Xfinity, Spectrum, and Cox, it features low latency, easy setup, and network management via the SURFboard Central app, making it an efficient and cost-effective home networking solution. The Asus RT-AX88U Pro is a high-performance Wi-Fi 6 AX6000 dual-band router, offering speeds up to 6 gigabits per second across the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, ideal for 4K and 8K streaming, gaming, and multi-device households. It features dual 2.5 gigabit WAN and networking ports, AI mesh compatibility for expanded coverage, and AI Protection Pro powered by Trend Micro for security. The 2 GHz quad-core CPU ensures smooth performance, while Range Boost Plus enhances signal range. Adaptive QoS prioritizes gaming traffic, and WPA3 security protects your network. This router is perfect for high-bandwidth, high-demand networks.